How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be putting brand new bumpers on my dad's 1966 Dodge Dart. She's a little shy. Alright, how's it going, everyone? I'm going to be putting those bumpers on my dad's car today, and first thing I gotta do is I'm going to put all my tools inside my truck and bring it to the front driveway thing. I'm also gonna lay down like a blanket so I can put the new bumpers, which are right here, which are very nice. It's not that they're new. The bumpers on the car right now are in pretty good condition, but these ones are better. So I'm just gonna swap them, because why not? I really don't want to get out of the truck. It's nice and cool in here. Air conditioner work. And it has 246,000 miles. It's so hot. I wish I had a garage with air conditioner. For the brackets, there's a bolt right there and a bolt right there. And I don't know how I'm going to get that one with a wrench. I might have to use a hand wrench and get that, which is going to be a pain in the ass. But this one should be alright. So I'm going to start by just loosening it and loosen each side a little bit at a time. I'm really dumb. There's a service hole right here to get the bolt. I'm not very smart. I need to look at things more. Oh my god, the sun is in my eyes and it is hot. That looks pretty cool without a bumper. Not gonna lie. And now, let's put the new one back on. Okay, this metal's really hot.
Can't be that there's only one. This whole thing should have fell on my face.
Not missing it. No, it's because it's pinched up against the front of this, the top of the car right here. That's why.
All right, put it over here. Get on this side.
Yeah.
Pull it from that. Pull it. It's coming.
It's wedged.
Attach somewhere else. I'm telling you.
It's not.
I know you're saying it's not.
I'm looking at the brackets on the other bumper. It doesn't connect anywhere else.
Where's it fucking hung up? It's not coming out of this metal thing. Yeah. See how tight that is? It fucking drilled and slammed itself.
That's it. Alright. Ready? Ready? Hey, Dad. Dad, how good did these bumpers come out?
Those bumpers came out good.
Want to say that a little louder?
Those bumpers came out good.
Louder, come on, you gotta mean it.
Those bumpers came out fucking good.
Yeah, they did. And guess who put them on?
I did.
Yup. 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 No. No. Those exhaust tips though, man. They're not bad, they're just... What if we did a side exit?
What?
What if we did the side exit exhaust right in front of the rear tire?
Well, you gotta have them come out the back and then you put a dump in.
We don't have to do a dump. We can have it come...
Drive like that all the time with the fucking...
Yeah, well, I don't know. I don't know. The wheels are cool. Whoa, bro, this car is like gnarly, bro. Hey, yo, Pops, what's crack-a-lackin'? So, did you hear about that like 1966 Dodge Dart?
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, guys. You're jackass.
He's washing his car at night.
So it doesn't get any water marks during the day.
So he can't see the spots that he misses.
Well, I'll see them in the morning. So we skipped to the future. Thank you everybody for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Peace out. I forgot to do an outro. That's why I'm doing it on my phone now. See you later.